Hey, Jake. How's the dentist today?
I don't like it. I just didn't.
How do you feel?
My mouth hurts and the doctor told me not to touch it, but I just,
Why do you feel so bad?
I don't